Hello, this is Log, and in today's video, we are going to discuss past paper. And the first past paper that I'm going to discuss is of mathematics, and it's of Cambridge IGCSE extended one. I will solve each question individually and will upload it with the respective topic. And I will solve the combined past paper also. So if anyone want to see the solution. This is a paper of attempt May June 2021 and it's the extended one. 0580 is the code. Okay. In this first question is write down the order of rotational symmetry of this diagram. That is 4. Next question is on the diagram draw all lines of symmetry. So let's draw all lines of symmetry. It's of 1 mark. And draw all lines of symmetry. First line is this. We can rotate it like this. This one. And this one. And this one. Okay. So this symmetry topic will be uploaded with the transformation topic of mathematics portion. So you can go in transformation topic and check this topic over here. For next question, what will be the probability of train? This question you will find in the probability topic because each past paper question will be uploaded with the respective topic. Okay, and collectively I will upload the topic together, whole past paper together also. So stay tuned, click the bell icon to stay updated and subscribe the my YouTube channel so that you can get notification of every video first. And over here in this platform, you will get all lectures of O levels and A levels free of cost. And uh, it's physics, biology, chemistry, mathematics. It's on one platform. That's the most important thing. You don't have to search for each subject and just scroll all the websites and don't find that respective topic. So all of the videos you will get just on one platform. So stay tuned. See you in the next video. Bye.